Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to open up and officially format your paper in MLA formatting in Google Docs. So here I am, I'm at the Google Doc spot. I'm going to open up a blank document. And we'll see here we've got our toolbar going across. One of the first things that you want to do is, without a doubt, change your font size. For some reason, it gives it as 11-point font, but it does need to be 12. So you want to increase that to 12. You can do your paper in Arial if you would like, or you can click into here and put it into Times New Roman as well. Either one works for me, and I'm totally okay with either one that you might like to use. So Arial 12-point font works. And then you want to come over here to this particular little arrow that goes up and down, because this is for your line spacing. And you just click onto here and you put it at the double. So click on that, click on this and move it down to double, and it will automatically make your whole paper in double space. So then you just start typing stuff in. And this is where some students start to have some challenges at times. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your name down first. Then you're going to put your instructor's name. And so it's Dr. Carrie McKenna. Then you're going to put your class, English 101, and then your date. Your date goes in military time. So it's the day of the month first. So today is October 7th. So it's 10 October 2020. Okay, there's no commas here, there's no craziness, nothing at all. So after you finish up with this, and let's just make sure that we can see it all nice and neatly, this is what it looks like for us. And then what you do from here is you just hit the enter key one more time. After it's in the enter, you come up here and you click to center align. And that puts it here in the middle so you can have your title. And your title for your paper should not be personal essay. That's not clickbait. For your title, you want to have some type of clickbait teasing title. Okay? Usually somewhere between 2 to 4 words. Okay? So that's pretty much what you want to do. Then you're going to hit enter again, and you want to move it back over to left align. And you hit in the tab key to indent, and now you can start typing. Oops, could help if I could spell it. And you could start typing your paper, okay? There's no extra spaces here, you don't have an extra space there, none of that stuff. It's all done naturally just like this, okay? So that's how you format this part. But there is one key part that's missing, and that is your header. So what you're going to do, there's this empty white space right up here. And you're going to double click in that space. And it's going to come up and it's going to say header. Okay? The first thing you're going to do is click on options, and you're going to do page number. And we want to start at number 1. So you go ahead and you click apply. And then you want to go in front of the number, and you're going to put in your last name. Now notice this is all still an 11-point font. You're going to have to highlight this, put it into 12-point font. But you don't want it on the left. You're going to come over here. You're going to put it all the way over on the right. And then what you do is you come down to your paper area and you just double click in it. And now you have your header created. So this is how you do it, and this is how you create your MLA formatting properly in Google Docs. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.